Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video about character makeup tutorial. Enjoy!
I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come out with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.
Shake for a shake, I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this awesome llama, make them piece the M-O-N-E-Y. I love my beaches, south beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up, so that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real, I'm Cobra. The autobiography rover, got the key to my city, it's over. No thoughts, only in the color Cobras. I said rackets, ratchets, hold up.
I said rackets, ratchets, hold up. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come out with me. I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. And they already know me. It's going down further than famous. Girls get wetter than Katrina. Yeah, my girl, you never seen it. Cause my tins by limousines. My touch say it's the Midas. We the plus, your man, the minus. My team blowing on that slam. Make you cough, that's bronchitis. Put your hands up. It's a stick up, no more makeup. Get that ass on the floor, ladies. Put your lipstick up. Double entendre, double entendre. Why you hating? I get money, then I double up conquers. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come out with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. Going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
Before you can take your seats, you must be sorted into your houses. They are Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin.
Gryffindor!